demonstrate making pancakes on my Blackstone. Just installed the drip tray so the cover hangs at an angle, heating it up. The basting tray, basting cover, forms a nice little windbreak sitting on the handle there. There's some leftover oil from last cook, so I'm gonna wipe that off a little bit. Half a paper towel, put some fresh olive oil down, spread it with a spatula, wipe that down, also some more, half a paper towel, start cooking. Leftover bacon is easy to heat up. Again, I've got the burners on low to medium as needed. Pancakes get first batch done, pour the next batch. Bacon's getting a little warm. Nice cooling racks to be able to keep them warm but off the surface of the griddle. Easy enough. Now I'm going to demonstrate cleaning. Pretty much just have to scrape it off. Wipe it down with the oil and bacon grease that's on the griddle already. Just takes half a paper towel. Decided to use some Blackstone conditioner to give it a little extra layer. Spread that around too. Wipe off the tools with the same oily rag. Might as well clean the front while we're here. And we're done.